quick physics tutorial.
Hey guys, John here. In this video, we will answer one problem that is related to unit conversion. And this is the problem. This is Robert. Robert is an engineer assistant in a building construction. His boss wanted him to list down the dimensions of their wooden furniture in cubic centimeters. One wooden furniture has a dimension of 3 by 2.0 by 50.0 cubic inches. What is its volume in cubic centimeters? Step number 1. Identify the target variable. The problem is asking to convert the volume of the wood in cubic centimeters. Step number 2. Set up the problem. Set up the necessary formula and conversion factors to answer the problem. As we recall, volume is length times width times height. And 1 inch is equivalent to 2.54 centimeters. Step number 3. Execute the solution. Using the formula of volume, length, 3 inches, times width, 2.0 inches, times height, 50.0 inches. The volume of the wood is 300 cubic inches. Placing 300 cubic inches below, to convert its cubic inches to cubic centimeters, we multiply this to the conversion factor, 1 inch, equal to 2.54 centimeters. Then, we place cube at the upper right corner of the parenthesis to pair the cubic inches to cubic centimeters. In this way, we could cancel the cubic inches that are found at the numerator and the denominator. Expanding the expression, we could write 300 inch cube times 2.54 cm cube over 1 cube, which is just equal to 1. Then inch cube. We cancel the inch cube in the numerator and denominator. The rest of the solution is purely multiplication. So, 300 times 2.54 cube, we get 4,916.12, or 4,916. So, our final answer is 4,916 cubic centimeters. Since centimeter is a smaller scale to inch, you will need 4,916 cubes of centimeter scale to fill up a 300 cubic inch volume. But, the volume capacity is still the same. For example, if I place 100 marbles in a bottle, remove the marbles, and place 500 cotton balls in the same bottle, I must obtain the same volume of that bottle. The only difference is that one expressed its volume by 100 marbles, and the other one expressed its volume by 500 cotton balls. In other words, in unit conversion, we just change the scale of the measurement of an object. But its physical quantity, like the volume, must be the same. This is why unit conversion is important in every measurement. It's because the scale of measurement you are using might not be the scale of measurement needed to solve a practical problem. For your problem exercise, from the same problem, what is its volume in cubic meters? Write your handwritten solution in a clean sheet of paper with your signature over your printed name at the upper left corner of your paper. Then, take a picture of your paper and submit via Google Classroom. Deadline is posted in your respective Google Classroom classes. And please check your solution and clear your handwriting prior to submission. Thank you for watching. Please click the thumbs up, share, and hit the subscribe button. And comment down below. I would love to hear from you guys. Thanks.